What's up, Ketchup? And good day, guys. So for today, I received my order. It's Adidas Coords from Elga Fashion Collection. So samahan niyo ko now, guys, to open this parcel and to check the items as well. Okay, let's go. Yan. So alam niyo ba, guys, 50-50 pa ako to order this one, pero as a support kay Ma'am Elna, it's Elga Fashion Collection. So tsaka maganda rin yung item nakita ko sa live. So I ordered it. And yun, I'll give a feedback to this one. And nakakatuwa kasi they're on time sa delivery, and also nagbibigay sila ng update sa messenger for the shipment as well. Yan, so let's open na. And let's see. Yeah. So here's the receipt from Elga Fashion Collection. Thank you so much. It's Sunisa Coords Adidas Blue. Yan. So paunahan lang tayo sa live nila. And ito siya, ang size niya, free size. Let's see, guys. Unahin muna natin yung pants. Yan. Ang ganda. Okay. It's good. And by the way, it's BKK. So, ganda to, guys. Pang jogging, pang exercise, pang walking. Okay, kumain na natin, guys. Yan. Okay. And next naman is yung top. Tada! 1, 2, 3. Yay! Ganda, guys. Ganda na. Sporty and rich. Adidas. So, we're gonna try it. Thank you, Ma'am Elna and Elga Fashion Collection for this. So, let me try. Ganda ng damit. Ng tela. Ganda ng tela, guys. Legit. So, this too. I'm gonna try this. In 3, 2, 1, go! Hey guys, so ito naman yung Coords na Adidas. Yan. Sarap niya suotin, guys. Ito yung side view. Saktong-sakto lang siya. Side view. Front view. Yung back. Okay. Yan. So guys, I'm ready. Let's go. And let's play volleyball. Thank you so much, Elga Fashion Collection. Satisfied customer here. God bless po, and regards to you and your family, and Sir David Kapinpin family as well. God bless.